right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the doors. This has been What's up guys, welcome to another awesome video for the DC5R Parts YouTube channel. We're going to be working on this edge right here. We do have an awesome piece that's going to delete the chrome on the side of the car. The only things that are chrome on this car are these badges and the rear emblem for the Subaru all-wheel drive emblems. So I honestly don't like the chrome look. There's nothing else chrome in this car, so it's kind of odd for this piece to be standing out. But for today we're going to install this matted finish SDI emblem right there. So as you can see, it's very high quality. It still has the design from factory and is 3M taped right in the back, so it's a very easy install. Should take us not a lot of time, but it does have a matted finish and is going to give us a nice stealthy look. As far as quality goes, it's pretty close. Actually, the aftermarket one looks kind of better because it's the letters right here are more glossy and rich in color, so it stands out a lot more than the factory one. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop this off, and I'll show you guys how to do exactly that. And we're gonna install these. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now we are on the side of the car, and in order to install the new one, we're gonna need to heat up this section right here. It is double-sided tape as well from factory, so we're gonna apply some heat, make sure the glue is nice and soft in order to pop this off. So I do have my heat gun right here, and we're gonna heat up this area, and we're gonna crack open the door. After that, we're going to get a nice hold or a nice grip behind the door right here, and then we're gonna pop it off this way. So as you can see, we were able to remove the stock emblem safely. Next, we're going to get some rubbing alcohol and clean the surface. That way we can install our new one. Grab a shop towel, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And the reason why we're doing this is to remove any debris in there and get rid of all the dirt and grime that's gonna prevent that double-sided 3M tape to adhere. Just like that. We're just gonna throw it right in place. Wow guys, that looks awesome. So we're going to compare it to the stock one. As you can see, much better. The side of the car actually looks awesome because most of the accents on this car right now, they're black. There's nothing chrome on this, so this one definitely looks right at home. And the next step is going to do the same thing on the driver's side. Alright guys, the moment's here. Bam! Look at that stealthy look. I absolutely love this. Look at that matted SDI logo right there.
Definitely blends in perfectly with the car. As you can tell, there's nothing chrome about this car inside, so those needed to go. Much better now. Let's check out the other side. And just as well, looks awesome. Very nice contrast, and it matches that center logo right there. Came out great, guys. Direct bolt on, nothing to it, easy install, and it changed the entire look of the STI.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this awesome video. As you can see, the mod looks amazing. I absolutely love it. Something that needed to go. The look of the car now looks awesome. It looks very stealthy in the sides. No more chrome pieces. The only chrome piece that I have left is the badge in the back, but that's gonna go later on. I kind of like it right now, but as we go along, I'm gonna continue changing the look of the car. Once I get bored a little bit, I'll keep changing it and kind of refresh that feeling again. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification and the thumbs up. I don't know why I did that one first, but make sure you do everything. That way we can continue growing on the channel. It's awesome that we're over 1,200 right now, and it's great, man. I absolutely love the support, so thank you again. And if you're here for STI videos, and if you're here for DC5 videos, thank you for the love. I appreciate all of it. The WRX right now, it's my daily, and my DC5 is in the back, kind of resting. I don't want to take it out. It's winter time here, as you can tell. There's no leaves on the trees. Kind of depressing, but you know, what can we do? We're just gonna wait until springtime. That way we can take out the DC5. But for now, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos coming up. This season's gonna be awesome, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what's in store. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch all of it. Thank you again for watching, and until the next one, peace.